This is going to be the weekly forecast for next week, 6th of January to 10th of January. For next week, I am going to be bearish. The draw on liquidity should be on the lows for this week's low, and probably even equal lows down here. Right, if we take a look at the current order flow, we are bearish. We have closed below this up close candle's opening price, and then we have a fair value gap right here, a bearish fair value gap for Dow Jones. So Dow Jones can actually trade up all the way here and then drive it lower to take out this low over here. I am interested in taking out the lows down here for ES. It's because of the 3 months chart. It's a fair value gap, it's a inefficiency, so reaching into that shouldn't be a problem since we are at the start of the year, because even if the year is to print higher, I'm expecting it to print a discount wick on the candle itself. Right, so monthly open is January's opening price, it is also the yearly opening price, so just keep in mind. How far can you trade up to? I'm looking at this new wick opening gap and the wick right here using the gradient. You can grade it. Okay, so these are the levels that I'm interested in for anticipating the top next week before we drive the price lower. Next week is NFP week, so best case scenario, we get the top on Monday or Tuesday, and then we can ride it lower to take out the lows here, and probably NFP is going to take out this lows down here. That is just my bias right now. Let's see if there's anything else I would like to add. On the daily time frames, we are obviously bearish, because if you look at the current order flow right here, we have been expecting bearish PE raise for now. We have taken out this low that made this high for the second time, and we have closed below. So all this move higher, or even these two down close candles right now, they are your breakers. So for NQ, we have the breaker down here, ES is down here. So when you take a look at the lows down here, they are relatively equal. Look at the low and this low as well. So this would be the low hanging fruit objectives for next week. Right, and that's pretty much it. We should be opening up near the highs, and that would be a very good setup for a bearish week, because usually for large range bearish candles, they usually open up at the highs, near the highs, and then form the premium wick and then expand lower. That is the ICT power of 3. And yeah, that's it for the forecast. Short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed this session here. If you do, leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below. Good luck trading, and I'll talk to you again.